In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to add a button without a shortcode in the Gutenberg editor. To do so, first log into your WordPress website. Hover over Posts and click on All Posts. I'll add the button to the existing posts, but you can also follow the process and add a button to new posts. Simply edit the existing post. Now simply add the block here. Search for the button block. Clicking over it will allow you to add the button text here. You can simply add your button text here like this. Clicking on this icon here displays various settings. You can adjust the button alignment. You can even set the orientation. You can view other settings as well. You can make the button text bold or italic. To add a button link, simply click on the link icon here. Simply enter the URL here like this and enter. You can view various settings here like adjusting button style, alignment, etc. Once everything's in place, let's check the preview. You can see the button has been added here. Clicking on it will redirect you to the button link. And this is how easy it is to add a button without shortcode in the Gutenberg editor. Now, in case you want to learn how to hide the Gutenberg editor, then we have a video where you can learn that as well. I'll link the video in the description below, or you can click on the eye icon in the top right corner of your screen to view the video. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon so you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.